Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin. Today I would like to introduce you one of our valve assembly. Let's take a look. Firstly, it's the VCINT roast bag, and here this is the logo. This is a label. First one of the label is our Shumatt brand logo, and then it's the F00RJ01479 inject control valve, and also with the apply cable inject number 0445120 066067, the QR code. By the way, we support customized service such as the logo labeled packages, etc. Inside with this kind of plastic bottles to avoid some damages during the transportation. Also, the oil paper can be wrapped up for the valve assembly. And this is the whole valve assembly. We also sell the separate ones, such as the valve cap. If you look carefully, you will find there with the coating figures here, and this is the valve rods. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rods can be moved smoothly off the inject body. The third tip is make sure the valve, if you want to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. For our product, Shumatt supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you're not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. So much for this one. At last, remember follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.